Hello, my beautiful people. Is the one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, sometimes I dey always tell women say, "Mona dey look man before una follow." I know say they know the right and for forehead do, but some men just dey wicked. You understand? My darling people, today topic na about this video when I see for Salt and Water Ministry. I say make I react to this video. Sometimes Mona dey look men before una date. Una need to see the way this guy, the way he take beat this woman, and the mark when he give the woman for neck, my darling people, he shocktalize even Iyore one of Paris, he shocktalize am, my darling people. Mona dey look men, no, Mona no go follow Egbe Roger wey be say he don fit rub before, wey be say Iyore has also beat that the correct woman, my darling people. And according to Iyore, he say this girl na even carry this guy come from where he dey carry a conference, but he don't come there finish come begin dey beat this girl. He no good man. Mona no dey beat woman again. If woman do you bad, leave am comot for inside house. Must you beat her? My darling people, Mona listen to this topic.
I'm coming to this message right now.
He say na two mark now he give am because why they speak English? Maybe some people go listen to the video. Maybe say they don't they speak Bini. So I they want tell on what she they talk. He said this mark, this two mark, now this a boyfriend, the girl, the boyfriend of the girl, now he give the girl the two mark, my darling people.
Man, ne blabo do ave webo. Brother, do watch me. Ekina man. Wabere ya. Ekina man. Temato salo boga wo be again now. Brother me. Ona mu egbe na gwe. Okono me mu gojo hu. Brother, okono mu we ga die France. Okono
The funny part is say he never marry the girl, now he girlfriend, now he beat her like this.
Where the Facebook. Ona where the Facebook. Ona.
The funny part now Facebook 12 them for no. Now they get carry and conference. You know, say some boys they will be say they first do armed robber for Africa before they come Europe. So all those kind of guys now will be saying I also beat the day they eye before. Like if they call a friend girl, what do you expect? Now even now if you take a razor blade, that be like say mark the girl for neck, my darling people.
Where got here France? Brother Urelania. Ona again na ga obi ugwe. Gebe ge. Ebi nu gwe we na ma. No matter if you no really way. Okay, tell me egba manania.
He said no matter what this girl do this guy, this boy not supposed to beat her like this. He not supposed to give her this kind of mark.
Oh, when we mokbia. As wa woman we go jo hu. Okay, the only thing wa we usi ai. Umana like me no. Uga mwemo bi ajobo metu mugo jo hu. O ma keke nuri amanane.
He say even though say he don't even marry himself, he not supposed to give her this kind of mark. And the truth, he not suppose. I don't know they tell women, if you follow man, you see say this one been I never marry you, my dear darling, run for your life. Because tomorrow when he go still marry you, he go still continue for where he first stop. Because now they will for they get her wrong. You understand?
Guy, it be any major. A guy na my brother. Okay, me no wa wuje kan. Whether
Iyore one of Paris said the girl dey nice. He say if na him, he say na prison you go just die put. Say no go gree lie. He no go gree.
wuje kan, igwe na wa bu no wo we. Ufi ma no ga re wishe.
He say if na him, he say he go send people make they break your leg. Anytime you go Nigeria, he go send people say make they break your leg. You know will go free for this thing way you do so.
Okay, me no be adie makina yo me gbe no go free. Kakaboya him again now. I have to tell you the truth. Kakaboya him again now. I do am marry again now. Because they what make ba ogaro what away. Don't be an ori mo nai. No we what design nya ore nai. Oga me no yeah. Yeah, you want geria bossy. €100 igbo wa no. O ni me unsa. Wetin the amana wa jo me gbe no wa go free brother. No aya gboku o. Stay away from that woman. Again.
He say instead when you go beat woman, may you stay away from the woman if you don't feel tolerate am again. And na truth. Instead when you go beat woman, stay away. Just boof the woman.
Na tie police no o gérant. O gérant do pay damage ni. Keke no really anje. As why we complete we run. Oh, 20 years we am baby Europe, you will pay that damage. Oh.
He say if na 20 years you dey see people for Europe, you must pay that damage. If this girl really want call police for you.
You go ni okay ya kun your mind. Bebe ni me do we ke ri go ni ya kun your mind. Aka wa bono wo we. Ye wa geri abosi ye wa da wo boy yeke. Ye wa mwe maton.
He say if na him go make sure say the area boys they go break your 2 legs, beat you very well. Because this mark wey you give this girl for neck, e no good.
Ye wa gbe yo wo we igbon we ni wa gogo. Eke na gbeche ni je ni wa gogo. Ijimi. Ah, brother, e no see any na time. The case, Nick, we have try nonsense now. This is original nonsense. How could you, brother?
You already don't even speak English. Say, how could you? How could you? Why you go do this kind of thing to a woman?
How could you? Oh, you went no good, brother. I wanna do it. Will you be happy, brother? What's here? They know what will say you. And the way they now am wishing your talk, I thought you're being. Brother, when I want me mad, what you am manane, but bury ije will talk. Oh, man, I hook me, hook me bury.
Isn't that the day when they bury his mama because his mama don't pay me? Isn't that that day that this boy even beat and give her this neck, this mark? Now, wow, for some guys, so you know, even say you still respect the death, you can't still just beat your girlfriend. What he can't do you that the way you know if you can't bear her. When you know if you can't bear her, you can't still beat her like this. It's no good. If na your sister, you go feel, my darling people. Yeah, we be ya boy and edzo. May we see they use our HQ so many. Not be to beat woman, I woman tell they know say you love them.
Agi joti no ko na wewu. Ege no keke nu ya mwege na yenya. Ege no keke nu ya mwege.
You know say the time we supposed to they pet this girl. You supposed to they pet him that time safe because he lost somebody. You now that time you can't even they beat him. They give him more pains. You know good.
Now you kegbe. Ege no keke nu ya leva e neve na leva e no momo. Ege no keke nu ya amu e betu no akwo e. Ege no keke nu gwe ya ro. Ogwe ba mu ji yen jo to una gbe yen me ya na. It's a curse.
Okay.
Double it's a curse, brother. Bueno ya in here. That is the only message in the area. As a brother, as a son. Jaim ye ge na o balonuri ademia mia amujejo to Nigeria. When I gbe mi na una re mark na ne. Ori egu me ni ga avina so awa me ko no consider ipe abe yana. O ga ime no o gwe we va wa gogo e. Esa jebe de e mato wa na wa gogo. Onye me ni moto la e get to repair. Wa re wishe. Me amogo me hia we bi amogo hia. Okay, me more.
He said the girl nice if na him as in you're one of Paris. He said go make sure say area boys they go your leg too no go still good. If you dey feel pain, she too go still dey feel pains. He said but now the way you look this girl too dey nice. She not gonna even like won't even do anything to you, you know.
Je toto ne ke ogwe. O me go ori hospital ya clean e but o say €10,000. So it be our take time. Oh, no, any set. Oh, then again, another when the police banner. That's why they tell me no way again, ma. Imagine me no. Again, we are here marking now one day. Nena me ba me no meta me na we ani ya mo be Facebook ni ya be careful. And me we better no ma come and ma o. Come no ma wa.
He say tell the followers say he tell the followers say more na dey look men for Facebook before una date them, you know. He say the way he say the guy be the way it is here, he look nice. He don't know why it can't be like this, you know.
But ima tell me we what bet uge me na. Cause who wa follow me. Come no ma me what that be no be we ya na. Oko no wa help we adie France. No me we Facebook. We no wa ye mark na wa ne ya na. Ijiri. Ene ge na wa sena. Who wa ye mark na wa no ho. Then no ya va enya na yi. It is a bread no a be Betty. Then no ya way. Ura lania. Brother, I would expect time Danny oko. No ya back on no jeveni meje ikwe. Oh, ikwe.
If they give the guy advice, say make you not do to any woman again, because you not go see nice woman like this girl will just come, you just leave and make you just go away like that.
Oh, no go wa me ikwe. Oh, when I make marriage in my woman say 20 million. Ikwe. Ah, what me mama when you yeah, why you moto macho what?
My darling people, you already want to party just the talk you the verse for the matter. Say if now he no go agree lie, he go make sure say they deal with this boy, you know. So our guys are beg. More than not they beat women again, you know. Not be beating woman till they get sense. Not be beating. If you go beat her now, you go knock am. Suppose this thing wey you take beat this girl now, currently just go inside. Now if you not finish you. How you for reason your life now, you know? Someone will not be beat woman again. You understand, my darling people? So my ogbonge people, I beg, wanna help me share this video and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Thank you, everybody. Our men wanna get sense, so not the beat woman again. It no good. If woman offend you, you just carry your back more for his house. It better pass you call the beat her. It no good. So thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your humble sister, your friend, your everything. Thank you. Bye.